Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So gonna go hang out to the hubs. We're actually gonna go get pho. I'm terrible at it.
You got it.
So if you want to see what look I create to go, eat some pho, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
You found me when I couldn't see the surface, and you pulled me, yeah, you pulled me to.
Okay, so eyes already primed. I'm actually not gonna do something crazy. I always say that, but I'm gonna mix a few things. So first I'm gonna use this black, just a single black shade from Pat McGrath. So this is 209 from Playing Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm gonna use this, and I'm only just gonna put it like just right here. I'm putting this kind of low. I don't want it very high. Man, Texas is like crazy with this heat. It is insane. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go into this palette right here, and this is the Royalty palette from Playing Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. I feel like this brush is too big. This is a Morphe M506. Dude, I still use that brush like literally every day. Oh my god, this is dark. This is dark. I feel like this purple is too dark. You can't even see like where the purple ends and where this starts. Whew. This is no. Let me see if I can blend this, because this is wild. Which brush was this? 211. Yeah. Okay, man, I don't know if I'm liking this look. So no, I might just switch it, but you know what? That happens sometimes, So now I'm gonna use a T83, and I'm gonna go into this shade. This is just a bright pink. It's actually from this palette. And let me see if I can like look this. This is gonna be like a lot of blending, but sometimes that happens. Sometimes that happens, or you just keep blending. She's just a clean brush with no product on it, trying to still, work on that blend, because it looks a little bit messy, And I'm doing this very light, guys, so just like really feathering this out, because I'm trying to make this blend out nicely. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'll clean everything up, but I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and we're gonna talk about this foundation. So let us go give her a word. Who is calling me? But we don't have time for that right now, But let us talk about this foundation. So today I'm gonna go ahead and test which is the foundation I wanted to get the last time but they gave me the wrong foundation, so I'm just like whatever. So this is the Forever Dior Forever Skin Glow, and it's a 24-hour radiant foundation, perfection hydration, whatever. So the last one I tested was the Forever Natural Nude. So yeah, so let's jump into this foundation. I've already primed my skin. Well, first I have my Supergoop sunscreen, because you gotta have sunscreen, it's so hot. And I prime my face with my Erborian primer, and then let's give her a shake. And let us give her a couple pumps. Ooh, this is light. What shade is this? I think it's 4NW. Oh, 4W. Let us put some concealer. Cause I'm gonna put my ABH concealer and let it, you know, marinate and do its thing. Done with that, and then let us go in. No, I don't like this. I'm trying to find my another bronzer, just because I feel like I've been using the same one like every day. So let us see if we can find another one. If we can, then we'll go with the everyday one. Oh, actually, let's use my this right here. This is from, what's his face? Mario. But you see, I already hit pan. I already hit pan, so I need to get another one. Just, you know, making sure that face is sculpted just a tad bit. More than a tad bit. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more of this, but while let me blend out my concealer using my silk brush. Let's tap this to make sure I get into all the crevices, you know. Just making sure I get into everything here, guys. I'm gonna go back to this a little bit because I feel like I lost a little bit of my bronze or my contour situation. And then let us try Pink Promise. I don't know, do you say coffee or coffee or you know, I just say coffee, and you know what I remember? I used to watch this show, and then that's how she used to call the guy, coffee.
When I saw Coty at the airport, I thought that he will bring me some things like maybe chocolate.
I feel like this is like hard. I don't know. I feel like I want to put it in the back of my hand and then bring it to my face. What is this show I used to watch? Like, you know, when they're married, like, or they meet, you know, like foreigners, and like I don't like that it's staying like so hard. Like, why is this name not coming? It's like it's not clicking. Cause Married at First Sight is like that American show, and then for people based here, and then they had the and then they had like different spin-offs, Married the Other Way, and all this. I don't know what's going on with this blush, but we won't talk about that. Why is my cheek so pink? But let me use my little locket powder from Cadbury. I think I got this at in one of my boxes which I'm unboxing. I already had my braid in my hair for like what, 2 weeks. I'm ready to take it off. I'm just like, we'll see how long I can keep it. And let's use my Huda Beauty Conifer powder. I don't want too much powder. I feel like that conifer powder makes my face like yellow. I mean, I know I'm already yellow, but I think it makes me, you know, just a tad bit more yellow. I'm gonna use this gloss from my girl Riri. She's not my girl, she doesn't even know me, but she's from the island, so we'll go with that. We will go with that. Let us create a little, you know, line on the lips. And then let's Riri her up. And this shade is actually called Cold Hearted. Looks kind of bluish. Her glosses are so good, like they're just so juicy. Just a little bit of pencil. What is that black? I want a little bit of that black. Not too much. There's a tingle on my lip. Tingle, tingle, tingle. And then this, but I'm just putting like a little bit. Just we're gonna just break it down so it's not so black. Okay, so let's just bronze up the face and we're done. This is Vesca. Excuse how dirty this looks. And it is shade Kissed by Diani. I love this. So I'm gonna use Bloom Lush palette from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I think I'm gonna mix a couple shades. I'm gonna mix. Let's do Dahlia. Let's use this Rare Beauty blush. Put this on a fan brush. Let's use our professional. Okay, so that's it for this look. I know, bold, dark, vampy. I actually like how the look came out. I was a little bit concerned about this purple, but it worked out. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
You meant everything, I won't lose you now. 'Cause I just can't imagine what it'd be like trying to laugh when you were the one who gave me the chance to try to get by, knowing inside I still miss you. To say I'm alright, but every night